Hey, Mr. John, my name's Sean here at Tameron Honda. Thank you for inquiring on the 2020 Honda Accord. This is the EXL model, the exact model you inquired on. I know you've been speaking with Chris about a couple of details. I want to show you a couple of details on the car. One, you're going to have the LED headlights, the LED daytime running lights, and also the LED fog lights. Now, my absolute favorite feature of this car is called sensing. This car is called an adaptive cruise control. The adaptive cruise control actually adapts to the car in front of you. So if this car slows down, so does your car. If the car in front of you stops, so does your car. It's unbelievable. Also, lane keeping assist, it does exactly that. It'll assist you in keeping you in the lane, and that's the little binocular camera that actually sees the road itself. Now, aluminum alloy wheels, keyless entry, moonroof, remote start, push button start, leather seats, Apple CarPlay. The list just goes on and on. Check out the inside with me. You have a dual climate air control, power seats, power locks, power seats on both the driver and passenger. That dual climate air control, you can set one side to 60 and one side to 75, however you like it. You can hook up your phone in the Apple CarPlay. You can say, hey Siri, call Sean. Or if you have an Android, you say, okay Google, call Sean. You know what's crazy? One of my favorite features, capless fuel tank. You just put the nozzle right in there. John, I know you have been talking with Chris. My number is 205-965-5788. If you have any questions at all, feel free to give me a call. If I can promise you one thing, when you get here, you're going to love the way we treat it.